my terrain, no pain, cause it's too much cream to fucking gain. My delivery brings misery, 24 hours to live with no remedy. Your boo set you up, so now you're sleeping with the enemy. My whole camp gets amped when we smoking ganja plants. I advance over pretty MCs and tight leather pants. My Steve, True and D will split your head open like Moses did the Red Sea. Who wanna be another victim, laying on the ground in bad critical condition? Who be the realest? The Hmong Bruce Willis, cause I die hard. Mentally I scar whack MCs who think they raw, no doubt. Battle me son, you on the wrong route. Should've took a different path. Mike wars and bloodbaths get assassinated from the rhymes that I created. I holler point to the fucking heart for every word that I stated. Hand the mic over, son, it's my turn to shine. They live in them in your system, blowing out your whack rhymes. Rappers couldn't come close, even if they're next to me. Get a taste of my lyrical poison recipe. Hand the mic over, son, it's my turn to shine. They live in them in your system, blowing out your whack rhymes. Rappers couldn't come close, even if they're next to me. Get a taste of my lyrical poison recipe. Back in the lab, I transform a roster missiles. Rapid fire blasting out of tech nines and pistols. Million killer villain on all of my opponents. Breaking whack MCs down into just one component. Your blood spills when you ain't got skills for the battlefield. My rhymes are ill, cause I'm sick with this full metal jacket rap shit that I kick. My guns are fully loaded, prepared for the verbal assassin. Rap poet, hard knocks, I got it lock. I rock hands like heavy metal. My iron fist punches through steel at many levels. I got you marked for death. Grab the mic and go 12 rounds without a fucking ref. Yo, get a verbal ass whipping from the rhymes that I re-ripping. Like you the common sense, son, you ain't no competition. My verbs and metaphors blow up like C4. My ammunition's hitting. React rain for mic wars. Hand the mic over, son, it's my turn to shine. They live in them in your system, blowing out your whack rhymes. Rappers couldn't come close, even if they're next to me. Get a taste of my lyrical poison recipe. Hand the mic over, son, it's my turn to shine. They live in them in your system, blowing out your whack rhymes. Rappers couldn't come close, even if they're next to me. Get a taste of my lyrical poison recipe. MCs beware, hard knocks is on the prowl. I don't know martial arts, but I know revolver style. When supposed to attack, my reacts like an automatic gas. Who wanna scuffle? I got my verbal tactics from the streets just like my hustle. I focus on the realness and hope to die a legend. Battle me or murder you, son, in less than 30 seconds. Get your life cut short. The rap game's a blood sport. Who wanna touch the mic after me? Cause if you do, you get burned too. The third degree, my freestyle rhymes are razor sharp. I give scars, cause my paragraphs are more fatal than yours by far. Ghetto stars shining bright like a dynamite explosion. If God could be an MC, you kid, I'll be the chosen. My brain waves is like gun sprays for green berets, veteran rap soldiers. I blow like supernovas, hard knocks, the universal. Versatile styles that'll definitely hurt you. On the outside, you're hardcore, but your bitch beneath the surface. Come and get punished by my daily rap verses. Madmans who play comical lands like Saddam. Hand over the mic here, cause it's my turn to bomb, yo. It's my turn.